How to create CV using Overleaf. Follow my instructions. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional CV using Overleaf, step by step and completely free. First, open your browser and go to www.overleaf.com. If you don't have an account yet, click Register and sign up using your email or Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Overleaf dashboard. To start building your CV, click the New Project button and select Resume or CV from the available templates. Overleaf offers a variety of professionally designed LaTeX templates for resumes. Choose one you like and click Open as Template. This will create a copy of the CV template in your account. On the left side, you'll see the LaTeX code, and on the right side, you'll see a live preview of your CV. Edit the text in the code panel, replace the placeholder name, email, education, work experience, and skills with your own details. As you edit, the preview updates in real time. Once your CV is ready, click the Download PDF button at the top of the page to save your resume to your device. That's it. You've successfully created a professional CV using Overleaf in 2025. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.